Yo guys, what is going on? Thank you for checking out the video. Today, we're hopping on the XXX and we're going to meet a special someone named Pat Outdoors. Pat does razor videos. He also has a XXX that's 72 volt that we're gonna ride. He's up here from DC, I believe. So we're just gonna get out there. I'm gonna show him a little city tour of Philly. It's really hot, so we're probably gonna be sweating, but I'll show you guys some of the work on the XXX and we'll test out his 72 volt and see what we get into. So let's get on a bike. What's up, bro? I just saw it. I'm like, oh shit. Well, there's Mr. Pat Outdoors. That's so funny, just saw him in the car. All right, guys, so we got Pat Outdoors, the famous Pat Outdoors from DC, or no, from Northern Virginia. He's out on his XXX. He's got the 74 volt, 44 amp hour E-Watt, right?
It's a 72.
It's a 72. He's also got the nuclear P24F, same as I do. So yeah, we're gonna do a little city tour. Should be fun. Let's do it. Oh, baby. Yeah, she's a ripper. I'm excited to try it out. I mean, I inevitably have to do that too. How many kilowatts do you pull?
It says it peaks out at 15. I don't know.
Yeah, 12. Woo-hoo-hoo. Yeah, I'm gonna need that. She pulls. Seat standers coming along nicely. Wonder if we can do them on the 72 volt. Take the turn, don't run into the cone or whatever that is.
I kind of wish I just did that.
Did you have to extend the chain too?
I put a smaller spot.
Oh, you did. Do you like the tires? I hated them at first. Now I like them. But it took a while to get used to.
It feels a little bit heavier.
It does. There's more rolling resistance, I noticed too. All right, we're gonna go down just into Old City, and then we'll probably go up to some trails because Pat likes to hit the off-road, you know? But we just feel so damn good on this bike. It's crazy. The Maguras, our money. We'll eventually put on the Lewis Techs once we get that all sorted out. I think Pat and I are both a little hungover today, so it's good to sweat it out, you know? So this is the Liberty Bell right here. If you look in through that glass there.
Dude, you're fucking crazy. I don't know how you pop it up with one hand just like that.
Dude, seat time, seat time. You guys, we're in the tunnel. You know we got a wheelie. So nice and cool in here too. Let's do it. 72 volt. Woo! Feels like the Razor. Oh yeah. The throttle does engage with this a little bit late. Like this is all dead zone right here. I really don't trust these brakes. They're like going to my fingers here. All right, we gotta try and wheelie it though. Oh, that is torquey. I think he's running a lot of regen. It's a little scary, I can't lie. It feels like it's not using, like it feels like
the first 20%.
Yeah, like it feels like you have all of your throttle modulation in like 70% of the throttle turn. So like the first amount does nothing, so then the tiniest movement. We just adjusted it again finally, and this is it. This is definitely it. This is it. All right, let's watch this car here. That's definitely better. It's definitely better. Like, I like it to use the whole movement of the throttle. Yeah, dude, go ride it. It feels so much better. Because that's how mine is. Like, you get a...
So much better.
Yeah, dude.
I'm so glad I
That you looked at that, yeah. Yeah, that's so much better. That feels like mine now. It's obviously still dumps a lot of power. So it's like a little intimidating, but you get used to it, I feel like. All right, we're going to take them up to Graffiti Pier here. Yeah, the 72 volt hits. I think now that he got that setting adjusted to like power and torque, it was on speed before. It's much more like my throttle. To Graffiti Pier we go. Oh, excuse us. As I wheelie through it. I was supposed to turn there, but I didn't want to stop my wheelie.
This is a completely different bike now.
Right? Isn't it so much better?
It is so much better.
Dude, it was borderline not ride. Like, that felt insanely sketchy when I first rode it. Yeah, MX Pro Spec build coming soon. I want to rip this back the other way because I'm a little bit quicker and then I can hit the jump. Oh, yeah. Let's not go into the water, Connor. Damn, that was a big old freaking trunk to jump. Yeah, it's nice and thick in here right now. Oh yeah, then we get this little hill climb. Can't see shit. Alrighty, I'm gonna rip just some fat friggin' donuts here. See if we can get rolling circle donuts. Yeah, that's 72 volt. Holy shit. Oh yeah, in the brush, in the brush. Oh, a motorcycle? Oh, what the fuck? Hey, if anyone's missing a Honda, Honda Rebel. Dude, it's a whole compound. Dude, he's even got a toilet. Dude, I thought this was a person at first. Don't cross the line. All who does will be dealt with harshly. Don't touch a tail? Don't touch or take anything. You're on camera. Waffle.
Waffle.
Alright, Waffle.
Alright, I'm out of here.
Alright, well, we won't mess with your stuff, Waffle. You think this is Waffle?
I don't know. Hey, Waffle. What's up, man?
Catching anything? Oh, got you. Are you Waffle? No, okay. Yo, do you think this is Waffle? Hey, man, are you Waffle? Are you Waffle? You're not? Okay, all good. Well, we unfortunately did not find Waffle. What you want to do is basically develop the muscle memory, so like if you're too far back, that you're not just gonna like jump off the bike. Like, so you'll just tap the rear brake instead and you'll just come back down. All right, in the graffiti pier, you always get some interesting cats out here. A lot of fishermen.
I gotta say, that's a unique vibe.
Indeed. Enough of that. Dude, it's basically everyone that's back there just always appears just sus as to me. Like,
See, something I've never done in this.
a burnout?
Yeah.
Well, dude. Woo! Alright, thirsty as all hell. Meow. What's up? How we doing? What's good, bro?
Triple X. What's going on? How you doing, Dave?
What's good, bro? How you doing? All right, guys, GoPros at 1%. We're going to outro this video. Huge shout out to Pat Outdoors. Cool ass dude. If you want to see like actual well-detailed install and build videos, go to his channel, not to mine. Like I said, I used his whole nuclear P24F install to install mine. So super good channel. He does Razor stuff, Talaria stuff. What else?
Huron coming soon.
Huron coming soon. So go check him out. But yeah, good ass ride. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll catch you next time though. Peace.